Welcome to SkyNix channel. In this video, we'll walk through a MonSyn, a simple and convenient tool for managing your personal finances. Let's see how easy it is to use. To get started, go to monsynapp.skynix.co and log into your account. If you're new, click Create New Account and enter your email and password. Then click Register. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Here you can manage your accounts, log transactions, view reports, and adjust settings. And also choose your subscription plan. Let's start by creating an account. Click on Accounts page, press Add New, then enter your name, for example, Dennis MonSyn. Then you choose the group, for example, bank account, and you enter the amount of money you have, for example, 600. Save account, and here it is. To record a transaction, go to Transactions page, Add New, choose the bank account that you want, Dennis MonSyn, and choose the category. For example, groceries, 100, and you can add note. For example, as you can see, it's tracked. To create a category, go to Settings page and enter the category you want. For example, grocery, I have it already, or car expenses. Then you press Add New Category, and here it is. You can also add an income category. For example, crypto. And here it is. And here we have a Select Language button. There's a lot of options. If you need to find something, use filters to sort by date, category, or account. Here we have today date, yesterday, last 30 days, this month, or a custom date you can choose from. Filters by account and category. Apply. Reports help you to see the big future. On a reports page, we can view our statistics by expense and income, expense by categories, and we can specify the account. And also we can exclude the category. For example, here we have a grocery. I've spent $100. I exclude it, and it's gonna show the other categories. Also, we can use net income or net worth view option. We can also choose by years or months. Here are some ways you can use a MonSyn. For your monthly budget, set up all your accounts and log every expense and track where your money goes. Use the reports to see which category takes the most share of your budget. Planning a vacation, create a dedicated account for your trip. For example, vacation 2025, set it as a bank account or cash, and make sure you type in the amount of money you currently have. Track all your expenses to see if you're reaching your budgeting goal. You can also track debts. Create an account for your loan and log each repayment. Watch your balance go down as you get closer to being debt-free. If you're a freelancer or have a side hustle, go to Settings and add an income category, for example, freelance, and track all your incomes within the app. You can even manage a shared budget. Create accounts for each family member or expense type and track everything in one place. You can try MonSyn free for 50 days. After that, choose between a monthly plan, a yearly plan, or a one-time purchase for a lifetime access. Also, if you're from Ukraine, you can use a promo code SLAVOUKRAINI to get ultimate 90% discount for any option. That's how easy it is to manage your finances with MonSyn. Thanks for watching.